Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good to everyone. Today we want to present about renewable energy, focusing on biomass. Before that, I want to introduce our group members. The first one is Nur Diana. The second one is Muhammad Fitri. The third one is me, Muhammad Haikal. After that, Ayu Nur Sara. The last one is Wong Ziyang. Biomass refers to organic material derived from plants, animals, and various forms of waste that can be used to produce energy. It is considered to renewable because these materials can naturally grow and regenerate over times. For example of biomass include agriculture waste such as rice husk, corn stalks, and coconut shells. Secondly is forestry waste. The thirdly is animal waste. The lastly is industrial waste. For instance, palm oil mill effluents, that we call POMAE, and crop residues. Biomass takes advantage of resources that would otherwise be discarded, turning them into an opportunity for energy generation. Okay, now let's discuss why biomass is such an important energy source. The first one is renewable. Biomass can be continually produced as plants and animals grow, ensuring a sustainable energy supply. Secondly is carbon neutral. The thirdly is waste management. And the last one is energy security. How is biomass used? Biomass can be burned to produce heat and electricity, and it can be converted into biogas through decomposition process. Biomass is also processed into biofuels like biodiesel or bioethanol, which can be used for transportations and other applications.
My name is Mariana binti Samsabali. I will proceed with the energy policy biomass. First is peaceful policy, FP 2000. Second is Small Renewable Energy Power SREP program, launched in 2001. Third is National Biofuel Policy, launched in 2006. Renewable Energy in 2010, which is implemented to introduce feed-in tariff. Fifth is National Biomass Strategy, NBS 2020. It was launched in 2011 but revised in 2013. For trend and opportunity in biomass energy, first it will increase the utilization, which is Malaysia is producing biomass energy by utilizing it of natural resource, especially the leftover of palm oil. This promote the renewable energy and lessen waste. Second, government policy, which is to encourage the growth of biomass energy. The Malaysian government implemented the policy into the action. This policy seeks to promote renewable energy sources and reduce dependency on fossil fuel. Third is technology advancement. The process has become more economical and efficient because to develop in biomass conversion in technology, it will include the investment in biomass gasification and biogas production. Next is environmental benefit, which it has been proposed that using biomass energy can help reduce global warming and reducing greenhouse emission. In addition, it allow more efficient management of agricultural waste.
So moving on to the issues and challenges faced by the biomass energy. My name is Muhammad Fitri bin Jamaluddin and my metric number is B0421101126, and I will be presenting the issues faced by the biomass energy. So I have highlighted 4 main issues that are common in the biomass energy production. which are the emissions, deforestation, high cost, and efficiency. Let me explain to you one by one. For the emissions, as we know, to produce the biomass energy, we need to burn the biomass, which with this burning, it can cause to carbon dioxide emissions, which can cause air pollution. Next is the deforestation. As you know, biomass power plant requires a large deforestation, therefore, it is not very environmental friendly. Thirdly is high cost. The initial cost to develop a biomass power plant is very expensive due to its large scale of development. And lastly, the efficiency. While the biomass technology is still under developing, the shortage of equipments are common in the biomass. From infiniteenergyhub.com, there are three main categories of biomass energy challenges. The first one is operational challenges. Second one is economic challenges. And finally, social and environmental challenges. For the environmental challenges, inefficient resources can lead into inconsistent biomass supply. For example, the waste from the farm animal needs to be consistently supplied to the biomass plant so that the biomass energy are consistently generated. Second one is the economic challenges. Biomass projects often struggle to attract investment due to its high initial cost. As I mentioned in the previous slide, biomass power plant requires large scale of deforestation, therefore large scale of land, and to develop the biomass plant itself is quite expensive. And finally, social and environmental challenges. The burning of biomass can emit carbon dioxide, causing air pollution. Therefore, even though the biomass energy is clean energy, a renewable energy, but the process of getting that energy from biomass itself is quite air polluting. That is all from me.
Next, I will explain the advantage of biomass energy. There are three advantages that I would like to highlight, which is the first one is renewable resource. A renewable resource is an organic resource that is naturally supplied through a biological development cycle, such as forestry residues, agricultural waste, and energy crops. By observing carbon dioxide during plant development and releasing it during utilization or decomposition, biomass contributes to using the carbon loops when managing responsibly and may become nearly carbon neutral. Second, waste reduction. Waste reduction helps to reduce waste by producing energy from organic waste materials such as agricultural residues, forestry byproduct, animal manure, and municipal solid waste. By transforming waste into useful energy, biomass minimizes the environmental impact of trash and accumulation and the need for large landfill. And lastly, reliable resource. Biomass has been recognized as a reliable energy source since it can generate power in a consistent and controllable manner as opposed to some renewable source such as solar or wind, which are dependent on weather conditions. Biomass feedstock, including agricultural waste, wood, and organic waste, can be stored and used as needed, maintaining consistent energy source. The advantage of biomass energy. There are three main points that I want to highlight, which is the first one is high initial cost. The high initial cost of producing biomass energy can be a major barrier to its widespread deployment. It takes a significant amount of resources to construct the required infrastructure, such as advanced classification system, biomass boilers, and biogas plants. Second, deforestation risk. Over-reliance on wood as a primary source of biomass can lead to large-scale logging, which disrupt ecosystem, reduce biodiversity, and degrade soil quality. And lastly is insufficient source. The challenges of insufficient source availability arise from a dependence on organic material, which are not allowed readily or sustainably available. Seasonal difference in agricultural productivity can cause fluctuation in the supply of crop residues and energy crops.
Malaysia produces over 90 million tons of biomass from palm oil byproducts such as empty food bunches, massacre fiber, and palm kernel cells. The Renewable Energy Act 2010 set a target of 90% renewable energy in the total energy mix by 2020, with biomass playing a significant role. Metal collection from palm oil difference has reduced greenhouse gas emissions by over 60 million metric tons of carbon dioxide. Common initiatives like the Fee in the Free Fish System and Small Renewable Energy Power (SREP) program have encouraged investment in biomass projects, resulting in over 200 registered projects generating 400 MW of electricity. One technology